So for the third question, the technology that I choose is Skype from Microsoft Office. So definitely it is open access to everybody. And the benefits of using this kind of software, such as those online chatting application, it is pretty self-explanatory. For example, the benefits is just like everybody is very familiar with that, and the design is very intuitive and easy to use. And from side to side, from different parties, you can easily collaborate with each other. And definitely you have your own protection for your account. And if you come across any problem, you can always reach out to their online technical support. But of course, there's a big problem or the downside for those open technologies. The very obvious one is it is not integrated with administrative systems. It means that if you have a whole list of the student rosters, their position in the company, and this will be two separate systems. You will have to, as the teacher, manually just put in all this kind of information into some Excel form sheet, and then compare with the rosters that you have in an administrative system. And another thing is the students might need to remember different account or password and easily get confused if there are a lot of this kind of open technologies you try to introduce in your class. And sometimes if you just forget about this account, probably all the information on that will be lost. And maybe one downside is you cannot find a person to ask some face-to-face technical support. But I would like to say nowadays the last three is not that obvious, but maybe the biggest downside is not integrated with the administrative systems. So based on my own experience, I used to work for some companies, and they do not have their own learning and management system, so they will have to use the vendors' services. I have the experience to introduce those SaaS platform on it. Or what I find online is a website just to recommend you some top LMS systems. Then they just put all those training admins work easier. Then you will have those administrative systems integrated into those kind of platform, and then you can put your systematic online learning materials to that. And the users, normally it is your company employees, will easily have access to learn, and their managers will have a clear track to see how well the team members have been doing. And as the training admin, such as sometimes it is you will easily to see how active the learners are on this platform. So I would like to say this kind of LMS system is trying to solve the problem between a single online access or just a institutional system.